We're gonna make. Oh, hang on. Quiet.
So that's they were gonna have.
Quiet on the set. We're making this thing right here for my sister, who's drunk. All right.
Don't you post that?
So anyway, you got the feet, tools that they gave you, but I think we're gonna need what? Phillips head screwdriver. All right. Phillips head. And we're gonna put this bad boy together. First thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna put those feet on it and flip this bad thing over. I'm gonna start with the bottom. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these things off of here. So anyway, just grab it, twist it, comes undone. I think it does. There we go. See? Bam, done. Go do the other one. Making videos is my passion. Now we're gonna put these bad boys on our table. No humming, please. It's distracting.
Some people whistle while they work.
Jesus Christ, so old.
Whatever you do, don't whistle.
He's so old now. You guys are so old, but I'm still young.
All right, I think I'm done. I think it's finished. We're just gonna throw the rest of the parts away.
I would do that. Just like get a
It's just a really low, coffee table. So what they want you to do is build the top. So if you want to do a screenshot, here's your screenshot. Bam, done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this to protect the top. We're gonna flip it on there and we're gonna build that top. All right, so that's our base, and this is gonna be our top. All right, so if you notice that you've got 2 holes on one side, and on this side you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 on either side. So if you use logical deduction, you would just assume that this here would be one that would go on the other side. If you notice, there's screws in it. So that side has to go down. That side has to go down because you have to screw it into this top. So we're gonna pick it up just like this, and we're gonna put it right down in there. I'm gonna set it here for a second. And what I've gotta do is I've gotta lay it in that line there. I'm gonna lay it in this line over here. And I want to have this side on the bottom. So it's going to go like this. So this is going on this side, just like that, with the screw things on it. And it's going to fit right in there. So we're going to go ahead and slide it this way. And when you do it, make sure you get that side out. And then you're just going to pick it up.
You have a flathead screwdriver, sis.
And you're just going to set it right in there. Just like that. Just gotta find your hole, both of your holes. And bam, there you are, you're in. That's it. So you're definitely gonna need a screw gun. And you gotta put these babies in there and screw them into the top. So these each will go in here, just like this. One there.
That's how it's gonna work perfectly.
One there.
It'll be easy peasy.
One there. And one there.
Relax.
That's it. So anyway, screwing these things in. I'm doing it by hand. I need a driver, but my brother was too drunk to go home and get it. So I'm just gonna have to.
Where is it? I'll go get it.
Just have to do that.
Kitchen door.
He was afraid to drive his car.
Just be not be a baby.
You know, the alcohol. It's a horrible thing. Just quit, people.
Yeah,
Just quit
yeah.
drinking. All right, so the dog's like yelping. And then
She wants attention.
that was Jerry. All right, so now these go up. And then this is gonna slide right in here like this. Basically, just like that. And there's little dowels here. So you've got to get that in the dowel. Just like that. Bam. Now that's good. That's gonna hold there. And then we're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing with this one.
Hush.
So anyway, I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna bring it to the side, and you're gonna see that there's 2 dowels there. See them? See, there's one there and one there, and there's 2 holes. You just gotta get it in the hole.
Lily.
I didn't get the bottom one, did I?
It's okay, baby.
And you may have to push a little bit to get it. And then use your foot. You know what they say, use a hammer. Works. That one on the bottom doesn't want to go in. Now this one should go in when I push it. There we go. All right. There we go. Now that's it. Now I've got to get under here and I've got to screw this stuff in here on both sides. So this is what we got to do down in the corner. Right there. You go into the thing. And this is the equipment that we're going to use. So if we look at this diagram, what it does is shows me that I've got to put one of these washers on. One of these, like, I don't know what you call them. They tighten down. So we got to put one of those on and one of these. All right, so I'm going to put this one on first. Then we're going to put this washer on. Then we're going to come right over here. And I'm going to speed this up. Right now I'm just using my hands to kind of twist them inside there just to get them started. And you've got to do that on both sides. So what you're going to see now is a sped up version of me tightening these things with the Allen wrench that they gave you. And let me tell you, it's not the greatest tool in the world. But here's more of a static shot so you can see how long it takes to get it done. I mean, I sped this up almost 1,000 times, or actually 2,000 times faster than what it took me to do it. And it still took me a long time. All right, so there's two front doors, and you've got to slip them into a little dowel into a peg, and then you take the side that has the magnet connector and make sure that's at the top. And so you kind of slide that hole in the peg like on the right side. And then, see that right there? You got to get that peg in that hole. And then, yep, there we go, we got it in. And then you got the magnet, we'll hold it there. And I knocked the other one over. So I had to pick it up and get her back in that little peg hole there. And then just set it right there, bam, done. And now we are ready to put that base that we constructed in the very beginning on top of there. And there it is right there. But I think I'm going to need some assistance with this. And I'm going to probably need to have my brother help me lift this up, because we got to lift it up and we got to turn it upside down and set it right on top there and get all those holes in all those pegs. And then we got to screw a whole bunch of screws down. So that's what we're going to do next. All right, so you'll notice I picked these all up and did that. So now the base
had more
part
of
is
these
this.
screws in it than that thing.
So we're going to try to do that. See how it works.
That's it. You just do that.
There, and just look at the screen and keep it right on that right there. Don't put your finger over the lens.
Where's the lens?
The lens is right where you put your finger. The lens is right there. Don't put your finger over. Yeah, your finger over it. Jesus, she's been drinking. All right, Jerry, help me out. Now what we got to do is we're going to flip.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's running right now. We're going to flip this over, and these holes we got to try to see if we can match them. So we're going to flip
If you
it.
guys haven't figured out how to get it in the hole by now at your
All right,
age.
Here we go. See if you can find your hole.
You're gotta go your way.
I'm right on it.
Yeah, no, you're not.
You are going to
Nowhere
edit this,
near.
right?
Oh yeah, there we go.
Look through the hole. See, Tom?
Oh yeah, I got you. I'm good there. Oh, I'm good. Did we get it?
Yeah.
Oh wow! Oh, success! What do you think? Jerry, excellent job. Now we gotta put these all around in all those holes. So
Get the broom, sis. You gotta start sweeping deeply.
let's take this up.
Sweeping deeply.
And now we're gonna go like this. So these right here, you gotta get a little one, and then a big one, and then we're gonna go boom, diddy 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 boom. All right, ready? Here we go.
I'm on it.
Where's the other one? Oh, that goes over the carpet. That's okay.
All right, here's Jerry doing one. Looking good. Oh, we got more ready. Putting them in the holes. Getting them in the holes. Getting them in the holes. Got the Allen wrench. I'm gonna do the Allen wrench as you do. You grab those and I got it. I think I can
Get it all the
spin
way
it.
down there. Get it all the way down
I
there.
think I can spin it like that. Oh wow.
Oh, there's a washer on the floor over here.
Yeah, it's one left over.
Are you
Sometimes
sure?
you have extra
Yeah,
parts.
yeah, they give you extras.
They give you extras.
Should be two. One big one and one small one.
Yeah.
But you can save it
Oh, well, I've
in case
got
you need a
drawer for
washer
stuff.
for some shit.
I've got a drawer for stuff like that.
I got a drawer with stuff I never used to.
So then you
My
guys.
whole life is stuff I never use.
I just want to get these damn boxes out of her living room. Every time I come here, it's like, there's
Yeah.
10 boxes.
I had all the boxes gone. And then I ordered these tables.
Yeah, well, that's right. We're getting more boxes. That's
I
all
think
there is to it.
I think that you may have a shopping addiction.
No, she's redoing her house, man.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
It's perfect. It looks good too. She did a good job. Looks fucking awesome.
It only took me 2 years.
I know. Well, you're slow.
Yeah, but how much fun was it?
You're really slow, though. So.
Well, it took me a year to find the tables after I bought the sofa last year. Remember when I was going over it for weeks and weeks? Should I do it? Should I do it?
You got, money's meant to be spent. You can't save it. Guess what? When they put you in the small box, you don't get to take nothing with you.
Yeah, the size of the box is based on what you got left over.
All right, so anyway, I sped this up 800 times faster. And basically what I'm doing is I'm going all the way around and I'm tightening down all of those screws with this Allen wrench that they gave us. Would you like us to leave it like that?
No.
I mean, that's an end table. I like it. I think the feet's supposed to go on the other side.
Coffee table.
That's a coffee table, but I think the feet need to go on the other side.
Yes, they do.
All right, so you just hold that. Don't put your fingers in front of the lens.
I'm not.
Now you're looking over here. You want to get on the thing. There you go. All right, here we go. You ready? We got to do it this way, okay? So that the doors are facing this way. So let's pick it up like this. Just like this, yeah.
The top's got to be screwed down. I think you got to open.
No, it's on. It's on. It's screwed up. Sure.
No, it's not. It's just pegged down.
Keep going. No, it's on.
Oh no, the doors go out.
Yeah, the doors go out.
No, this one. You got to turn it around.
What?
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that? You can't get to them.
I want them on this side.
Oh my God. Psychopath.
Well, you know what we can do is we can put them that way for your sister, and in like 6 months when you're so tired of walking around.
I'm never turning this thing the other way.
All
Right?
Live with it.
I just want to tell you right
Okay,
now.
I think it needs to come this way a little. It needs
Oh,
to.
you want to be in front of the couch?
It needs to be centered. This way. Thank you. Okay.
All right, wait, we get the last thing here. I got to do these.
Okay.
So the way
Now,
this
let me
works
see.
is I push this
We've got.
and it's supposed to open. Well, apparently it
No,
does
it's
with
got to
these.
go to the right a little more.
Guess what? I have to put the knobs on to open doors. And I didn't do that.
butter knife.
I didn't do that. There we go. So, people, put your knobs on before you try to you close the doors, because I think I need the Phillips.
Are one of those needing tightening?
Where's the Phillips at?
It's right there, Thomas.
All right, you watching? Can you see me?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Oh my God, I think I got Parkinson's. Hands are shaking. So I'm just kind of screwing it on there. And I went ahead and sped this up because basically it's just screwing the knob on.
I just popped this off by accident.
Look at that. Hey, so now this is how you do it. It's very simple. It's
Sister, I just did this mistake.
I know. I was gonna have a grand.
What are we gonna do?
I was gonna have a grand veiling where I took all the tags. I got tags over there. I got tags
Grand
there.
veiling? What are you like?
I got tags there. They were all gonna come off at one time when I had everything.
Really? It's
That's
we
all
gotta
right.
go-
You can leave it off.
These are lefty loosey to get these tight. So they're a little loose. I didn't get them all the way on there. So just kind of lefty loosey.
That's why they're a
Oh,
little
use a
wobbly.
stapler.
No, don't staple it back on. Just-
Don't staple it on my butt.
Jesus.
Use a stapler. I just tuck it in a little bit.
Done. Success.
Where
All right, get over there. Stand next to it and just pretend you love
Eat
it.
your table.
See your table, be your table. Excellent job.